Hey guys, good morning. My name's Tony. I built a AI model that essentially predicts sports games really well. I built some trading indicators that are considered, I personally consider some of the best in the world. And before my account got banned at 80,000 followers for just posting stocks, I actually had a Python program look for unusual whale activity, and it netted results of like 80 to 90% accuracy. And I just recently had time this weekend to actually start loading up that model again. I essentially updated it, and now we're here. And I'm looking for currently, it actually gave me an output of August 23 Tesla calls for 220. And it's setting, I think, like at a $25 million money flow. So these look like they're really out there. And $25 million for Tesla is, I wouldn't say out of the ordinary, but it's definitely much higher than average, right? So it actually, so my Python code spit out these 220 calls. And I'm gonna bring this series back just because last time, hopefully I don't get banned, but last time when I was doing just stocks and my account was at like 80,000 followers on TikTok, I actually got like community guidelines because I guess TikTok thought that I was manipulating the market or something with these videos. So I'm gonna bring these back. Hopefully I don't get banned. I'm gonna see if hopefully I don't get like the community guidelines and stuff. But yeah, my Python code, it's running a whole bunch of, it took me a long time to actually build it out. But essentially it's given me some it's given really good predictions on where where specific tickers are going to go depending on what these activities are. So $25 million money flow or volume into these 220 calls expiring for this week. And again, do your own research. It's your money. I'm not a financial advisor, all that good stuff, but do all that, do your own research. But again, 220 calls, $25 million money flow is pretty nuts.